if you want to keep track of things, then you might want to use something called Microsoft To Do, which comes bundled with Microsoft Windows 11 as well. So to access that out, you can go to the Start menu and type in To Do right here. And once you do that, you can see Microsoft To Do is an option right here. It's an app. So if you were to click on this, since this is my first time running, you can see that it says it needs to do an update right here. So let me just go around, expand this out while it does the update. And depending on your internet connection and your computer speed, this might take a while. So it's downloading out some updates right there. And now the update has been completed. And now you can see that Microsoft To Do is starting up right here. So once you go around over here, it says, do you want to pin Microsoft To Do to taskbar? So I'm just going to say yes, and it'll be pinned out right here. So you can see my day right here. You can see all of the things over here. You can go for important, plan, and so forth. So you can add in some tasks right here. So let's say, for example, you want to add in a task. You can simply go around and say, let's say, for example, buy some bananas right here. So bananas right there. There you go. So what I can simply do is I can go around, add that in as I click on this. Similarly, I can go around and say wash the dishes right here. Press enter, and there you go. So you can go around and click on this. So you can see that you can complete or uncheck this out right here. So you can complete and so forth. As you can see right here, you can star it out and see different theme options over here. You can also see the tasks that are assigned to you by other members. You can see if something is planned. So let's say go for dental checkup, let's say, for example. So you can do, let's say, for example, this next week. You can go around and press enter, and now you can see that this is the task for next week right there. So if there's something important right here, then what happens is that, remember, let's say, for example, to take medication right here. So let's just go, for example, press enter. You can see that you can go around and add in different tasks over here. And this is what Microsoft To Do is for. It is for adding out notes that you want to do. It is for adding out the tasks that you want to remember. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.